Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Brie, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire, we give you fun, we give you inspiration, we're real and we're educational. So I am making a quick Kingston run and I thought I'd take you along for the journey with me. So I'll be giving you some little tidbits of what my day is like. So I'm now in Clarendon. You know, when you're passing through Clarendon, it's customary that you stop by Juicy. So I'm going to stop by Juicy and get some stuff and then make my way to Kingston. Guys, let me tell you, the roads, because of the rain, the roads have been damaged. Like every time it rains this hard through Scott's Pass, that's after you pass Porous and coming through heading towards Kingston, always get a fine beating. So I am at Juicy now, just gonna get some soup because I'm going to pick up my uncle. You'll see him. Good afternoon. Hi, afternoon. What kind of soup do you have? Alright, what's the smallest one you have? Alright, can I have an 8-ounce red peas with beef? And what's the medium size one? What size? Can I see the size? What's the one bigger than that? Alright, how much is that? Alright, can I have a chicken soup with everything? Yes, ma'am. A water, please. Or give me 2. No, cold. Thank you. And thanks for looking out for my hydration. I ordered my soups and I'm just waiting in the drive-thru to get them. But I want to take up the time out to big up all my Clarendon peeps. Yes, I'm from Clarendon. I was born in Lioneltown. In Clarendon, I went to Watsonton Primary, that's in Lioneltown. And I also went to did I say the Glenmuir High School in Maypen? Yeah, and then I went to NCU. So big up to all the Colored peeps, all the Clarendon peeps from CC and Garvey and Denby and Central, Maypen High, all the schools in Clarendon. Big ups on a self, Clarendon massive. Brian always bigging up Spanish Town massive, so I am bigging up the Clarendon massive. It feels so weird to be on the road without the kids and without hubby. I hardly go anywhere by myself, so it feels a little strange, but I'm enjoying the time, the little me time, enjoying the little me time, waiting on my soup. You know, I usually buy, hold on. Hi.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Thank you.
The bag is so big.
Okay, no problem.
Occupy all the space in there.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, miss.
I have a good one.
Hold it. Yeah. They don't show it. Yeah? There
Thank
you.
you.
Drive safe.
All right. Hey guys, me love good customer service, you know. Let me tell you, I love me some good customer service. Love it. Alright, sanitizing, and I'm gonna continue to make my way to Kingston. Guys, I don't know if I so long me not come Clarendon, or if it's because I'm always driving on the highway, but this is literally out by Mineral Heights roundabout. A new mall is called Millennium Mall by Sagicor. They all have Popeyes. They all have Popeyes. Yeah, over there. So, wow, I'm impressed. I'll get a better view when I'm coming back. But wow, big ups Clarendon. They have a gas station out here and a whole mall. Wow. This is by Uncle Hamlet. Say hi.
Hi.
So do you know YouTube? No? Yeah? Alright, so I want you to say after me. Say, hey stuff from the Cups family.
Hey, stuff from the Cops family.
This is Hamlet.
This is Hamlet.
Make sure you like,
Make sure you like,
share,
share,
subscribe.
subscribe.
Yes, this is my Uncle Hamlet. This is my mother's brother. You're not the oldest one. No. Sorry. He's the youngest, oldest brother. Youngest, yeah. Youngest, yeah. He's the youngest son, but mommy comes after him. So this is my Uncle Hamlet. We're up on a little flex today in Kingston. So yeah, this is Uncle Hamlet, stuff from the Cups fam. So this is what I cannot take. Kingston traffic. Like traffic for as far as I can see. I don't know why I allowed 5 o'clock to catch me in Kingston. I honestly did not remember. But yeah. Bless God for some KFC to keep my company. And Hamlet having KFC too. Sweet him. KFC in the building. Guys, look at this traffic. I'm not saying that Mandeville don't have traffic now, but jeez and please. So Hamlet, this, yeah, we are on our way back to Clarendon and back to Mandeville. What is your favorite memory of me growing up?
Oh, Uncle Hamlet, bring me my milk. Uncle Hamlet,
How
bring me
old
my
was
milk.
I when I used to say that?
Basic school.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am. I
Milk.
check out my dark glass and put on it. And she be on your 2-pack and then I walk round and around the church. But this is my uncle glass, you know. Yeah, man, for real, you boss. Put on my dark glass, you know. And I walk up on the choir album and I tell everybody, it's my uncle glass.
It's my uncle glasses, yeah.
Yeah,
This is
man.
my favorite uncle, y'all. Yeah. What else you remember about me growing up? Don't embarrass me now, but
Oh.
tell me something else that you remember.
Mango, mango, mango.
What I used to do?
You take up the figure from one of the dining table, one of the kitchen counter.
Uh-huh.
Put it on the head. Mango, mango, mango. Mango, mango.
So I used to pretend like I selling
I selling
mango.
mango, yes,
Oh,
mango,
Lord.
mango.
Who I used to see selling mangoes?
And I
You used to
was-
see nobody?
Yeah, that also actually.
Active imagination like Brie.
Mango.
I'm not trying to buy anything, you know, and the man I walk me down.
Which
No,
one?
sir.
Oh.
No, thanks. I have one. The man say one when me have don't go. The man trying to sell me something, and I show him that I have one. The man say the one where I have no good. Buy the real one. Oh goodness, guys, traffic, jeez and peace. If it wasn't COVID time, I would have buy peanut, but I'm kind of skeptical. But big ups to all the peanut vendors and all the vendors on the streets. Big ups to you. Let's continue sitting in this traffic and we'll see how it goes. Yeah.
We gotta take a picture.
No,
Sky?
yeah, I'm videoing it. Isn't it pretty? It's beautiful.
But for the first time, you see, we have got Cayman, you see, man. It's them pretty orange, them pretty color, them, man. It's very clothing stain, man.
It's gorgeous.
When you land, eh?
It's gorgeous.
Pretty and look like sheep, you know, man. Look about them all the way around and came on the first time.
So guys, I had to make a quick stop in Maypen because gotta get some goodies from MUMZELS Gourmet Pastries. We have Jody and Molten Scarlet.
Hey guys.
Check her out on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere, and get your good goodies, gourmet style. So Jody, let's see what you have there.
So, Bastilla is getting tonight passion fruit cheesecake cupcake, dirty banana cupcakes, and Bailey's rum cream cupcake, our bestseller.
Oh my god!
Yeah. If you're having a birthday and you're looking for a smile, stuff from the cup.
Thank you, Jody.
You're welcome, Buzz.
So I got home safely last night. And when I got home, I was planning to do another video to just tell you how my ride back from Kingston to Mandeville went. But the girls were by my feet. I could not move an inch without them being right there and, wanting my attention and all. So I chose to, just spend time with them. I guess because I was away all day, they really missed me. Oh, it felt so good to be home. I even got a new hairstyle. Yeah, I got a new hairstyle courtesy of Bella and Brie. But guys, when I was coming home last night, I saw some types of drivings. I mean, some unnecessary speeding and overtaking. I mean, there were so many close calls that I saw right in front of my eyes that literally could have been avoided. Guys, I am imploring you to stay safe on the roads. Take your time. If you are late, you're already late. Just take your time. And for some of them who I saw last night, they were just having a joyful time, just going around trucks in Scott's Pass and Porus. I mean, some of the times I just whispered Jesus and I started to pray at some point, saying, Lord, protect them from themselves and protect others who are on the roads, because I mean, last night was really mind-boggling at some of the things I saw in terms of driving. So I encourage you to take your time, be safe, stay safe. And as we get closer to the Yuletide season, Brie is in online school, by the way, which is what you're probably hearing. And you know what's the most hurtful part about a lot of accidents that I see happening? When persons are being careless, they're not only hurting themselves by being careless, which is a consequence of their actions. They're killing off innocent people, and they are throwing other families into mourning. If they had just taken the time out to be a little bit more responsible, then a lot of things could have been avoided. So be careful on the roads, y'all. Be careful, stay safe, look out for each other. All right, this has been another episode of Stuff from the Cuffs. Thank you so very much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share, and leave us a comment. Go. Brie says she wants to say hi.
Hi guys.
Tell them what you're doing now.
I'm just doing homework at class.
Yeah, you're in class, so go back into class. Go.
Guess what?
Okay, go. Tell them. You have to tell them.
Guys, I went first to tell my friends that 8 is greater than than 6. I got it correct.
Good job. Alright, go back into class. I'm
Bye,
coming.
guys.
I'm coming, alright? Alright, guys, so I'm off back into homeschooling with Brie. Well, distance learning with Brie. Have a good one. Like, share, subscribe.
Bye,
Say
guys.
bye.
Bye.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the curve.